Welcome back. Coming to Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial Internet of Things. Week 4, Assignment 4. Let's see the answers quickly. Which of the following are the components of cyber security? Application security, information security, network security. All the above. Application firewall is an example of dash countermeasures. It is software countermeasure. What does OPSEC stand for? This is operational security. What are the three main parts of SDCMA? Software plane, hardware plane, EIF. And which of the following issues are raised due to the lack of proper standardization? Device interoperability, semantic interoperability, security and privacy, all of the above. And what are the benefits of IIoT? So the benefits are all of the above. Improves productivity, enables remote diagnosis, reduces operational time. Which of the following sensors is used for tracking miners in mining industries? RFID tags. And what is the third wave in the three waves of innovation? And the third wave is industrial internet. How many key elements are there in a industrial internet? There are three key elements. Which of the following best describes a smart sensor? Sensor with a small memory, processor and communication interface. Which of the following is not a part of smart sensor node? That is, all these are smart sensor nodes. All these are the parts of the small sensor nodes. So none of the above. Which of the following is not a hardware specific Intel library for IoT devices? MRAA. And which are the applications of GPS tracker in IIoT? So tracking real-time objects, spot significant places, and analyze traffics. All the above are the applications of GPS tracker in IIoT. What is the prime characteristics of Industry 3.0 computer and automation? What are the benefits of Industrial Process 4.0 service-oriented deployment? Now you can submit your answers. You can check the answers once. If you have any doubts regarding the answers, you can comment in the comment box and let's discuss about the answers. Thank you.